Good morning students, welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, let's begin with one of our another chapter, that is towns, traders and craft persons. So as you can see, our first topic is towns. So this was the time period when new towns started coming into existence. For example, many temple towns were there. Those towns which were surrounded by temples all around them, and one among them was Thanjavur. Where what we observed that Thanjavur, being the temple town and all the wealth, prosperity, gold present there, was also one of the important administrative center present there. Thereafter what we found there was network of small towns, and when many small towns get united, they come together, then there is formation of large villages or large units. Thereafter our next topic is big and small traders. First of all, we need to understand who are traders. Traders are basically those people who are involved in either buying a particular commodity or selling the same. So in this particular area, in this town, that is Thanjavur, we found both big towns as well as the small towns. Now let's talk about the crafts in towns. You know students, these were the areas where artistic person or people with more crafts are found here. But you can say Vishwakarma community is present here. People are very much famous with the Bidri art or with the Bidri craft. So they are having specialized craft or specialized skills with them. Then our next topic is architectural splendor of the Hampi. If we talk about the architecture of Hampi, students, what we observed? We observed that in Hampi was completely made up of interlocking bricks pattern. Bricks were found in interlocking pattern. Then Dochala, Chochala and four roofed patterns are also observed here. Thereafter students, our next topic is regarding the important places which used to be found or present at that particular time, which were your Surat, Masulipatam, and the last topic is new towns and traders. If we talk about Surat, you all of you know where is Surat. It is basically present in Gujarat, and that is why it is called as Emporium of Western Trade or Gateway for Trade with West Asia. That is why that all the person who are coming from west side and are trying to enter in India, Surat was gateway for them. All their factories, all their godowns, all their warehouses are present here. They used to do trading here, retail trade, wholesale trade, in cotton textiles and other things also. Their rest houses are also situated here, and thereafter Kathiawar Seths and Mahajans are also having their banking house present here in order to solve the problem of money borrowing or money lending. And we can say that it was also known as the gateway to Makkah, because for going Muslim people especially who used to go Makkah, they need to travel via here. And thereafter the famous Zari border work is also done here. And thereafter let's talk about Masulipatam. If we talk about Masulipatam, what we observed? We observed that it lays on the delta of Krishna river. The intense activities used to take place here, and this was the area built by the Dutch people who were the Europeans only, and they imposed their monopoly here. Monopoly means they were the only one who used to trade here. Later after, other trading groups also joined here, and because of that what we observed competition among all those trading groups. And Aurangzeb annexed Golconda fort here also. But at the end what we observed that Masulipatam at the last, it lost all its merchants, its power, its prosperity. Now let's come to the last topic of our chapter, that is new towns and traders. And if we talk about new towns and traders, almost all the East India companies like Britishers, Dutch, French, they started entering India. They started using their naval power, and when some other authority or other power is entering in your country, your nation, what does that mean? That is definitely going to impact the people of your nation. That same thing is observed here. We observed that craft person present in India, they started declining. Their craft were, their skills competition from these East Indian companies. With this, I end the chapter here only, and I hope the chapter is very much clear to all of you. Now we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe all of you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.